Deep within the heart of the Gobi Desert, a fearsome creature is said to lurk. It is called the Mongolian death worm. Legends whisper of its deadly power. The stories have been passed down for generations. Nomads speak of a creature that emerges from the sands. They say it spits acid and can kill with a single touch. The Mongolian death worm, or in Mongolian, is described as a large, worm-like creature. It is said to be 2 to 5 feet long. Its body is thick and reddish in color. Some say it has a mouth full of sharp teeth. Others claim it can shoot electricity from its body. The death worm is said to be highly aggressive. It is feared by all who know of its existence. The first written account of the Mongolian death worm came from Roy Chapman Andrews. He was an American paleontologist. In his 1926 book, Andrews described the creature. He recounted stories told to him by Mongolian nomads. They described a sausage-like creature about 2 feet long with no head or legs. They said it was venomous to the touch and could even kill from a distance. The Gobi Desert is a vast and unforgiving landscape. It is the perfect environment for hiding a creature of legend. The Mongolian death worm has captured the imaginations of adventurers and scientists alike. Is it a real creature, or simply a myth? The answer remains a mystery. The legend of the Mongolian death worm has inspired numerous expeditions. Adventurers and scientists alike have been drawn to the Gobi Desert. They hope to find evidence of this elusive creature. One of the earliest expeditions was led by a Czech team in 1990. They used a thumper device to create vibrations in the ground. They hoped to lure the worm to the surface. Unfortunately, they were unsuccessful. I, Ivan Mackerly, have also led multiple expeditions to find the Mongolian death worm. My team and I used a variety of methods. We used explosives to disturb the sand. We conducted aerial searches of the desert. We even interviewed countless locals, hoping to gather more information. Despite our best efforts, the death worm eluded us. Over the years, many other expeditions have been mounted. Teams from America, Britain, and New Zealand have all searched for the creature. One particularly interesting expedition was conducted by a British team in 2005. They distributed flyers offering a reward for information about the death worm. They focused their search on areas with damp sand, believing this might be the creature's preferred habitat. Sadly, their efforts, like those of others before them, proved fruitless. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the legend of the Mongolian death worm persists. The harsh conditions of the Gobi Desert make it a difficult place to explore. It is possible that the creature exists in remote, unexplored regions. The search for the Mongolian death worm continues. It remains one of the world's greatest cryptozoological mysteries. The Mongolian death worm is more than just a legend to the nomadic people of the Gobi Desert. It is a real creature, feared and respected. Local beliefs about the death worm are deeply ingrained in their culture. They are passed down through generations of oral tradition. Some believe that the death worm is a spirit guardian of the desert. Others see it as a harbinger of misfortune. Interestingly, not all Mongolians believe in a literal giant worm. Some interpret the legend differently. They believe the term Algoi Korkoi might refer to any dangerous creature in the desert. This could include venomous snakes or insects. Their venom could be mistaken for the death worm's acid spit. Local stories often describe the death worm as having supernatural powers. Some say it can control the weather, causing sandstorms to disorient its prey. Others claim it can kill with a glance, its eyes emitting a deadly energy. While these stories might seem far-fetched, they highlight the deep respect and fear that the Mongolian people have for their environment and the creatures that inhabit it. The Mongolian death worm is an integral part of the cultural fabric of the Gobi Desert. Whether a real creature or a mythical beast, it serves as a reminder of the power and mystery of the natural world. The legend continues to fascinate and inspire, reminding us that there are still many secrets waiting to be uncovered in the world's wild places. While the legend of the Mongolian death worm is intriguing, scientists remain skeptical. There is no concrete evidence to support its existence. No photographs, videos, or biological samples have ever been collected. This has led many to search for plausible explanations for the sightings and stories. One possible explanation is that the Mongolian death worm is actually a misidentified creature. Some believe it could be a type of burrowing snake such as the Tartar sand boa. This snake is known to inhabit the Gobi Desert, and its reddish-brown color and aggressive behavior could be mistaken for the death worm. Similarly, cobras are found in the region and their venomous bite could be misinterpreted as the deathworm's acid spit. Another theory suggests that the legend of the deathworm is based on sightings of the Gobi Desert's unique wildlife. The desert is home to a variety of creatures that could be perceived as monstrous. These include venomous spiders, scorpions, and lizards. It's possible that exaggerated stories about these creatures, passed down through generations, have contributed to the legend of the deathworm. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the legend of the Mongolian deathworm continues to capture the imagination. Whether a real creature or a product of folklore, the deathworm reminds us of the vastness and mystery of the natural world. It serves as a reminder that there are still many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Until then, the Mongolian deathworm will remain an enigma, a creature of legend whispered about around campfires in the heart of the Gobi Desert.